Hello, this is Paul Milligan for Innovate TV at InfoComm 2016. I'm joined today by John McMahon from Meyer Sound. John, welcome.
Thank you.
First question, we've had a look through some of the other demo rooms. Walking here, it's decidedly different to all those other demo rooms. Why have you decided on this kind of setup, and is it different on purpose?
Absolutely. We set this up in a immersive cinema fashion. We have provided many different unique experiences at the InfoComm demo spaces in the past. We've put in our constellation system, we've put in our space map, various kiosks, we've had product demos. We thought this year it was really important to demonstrate the need for headroom and high SPL in our systems. And Meyer Sound provides very low distortion products with high headroom and high SPL. So there's no better way to demonstrate that than with a full immersive cinema system with big dynamic range, with the quiet raindrops happening in this immersive system, to the loud punchy parts that need a system with high headroom. And cinema is a space where these immersive systems are being more and more present. We're deploying these systems everywhere from standard exhibition where you would typically expect to see them to, we have many systems in post-production, but we're also deploying them in boardrooms, in corporate auditoriums, in many spaces that we feel are very important to the InfoComm attendees.
Sure.
So we did this intentionally both to demonstrate our real-world SPL and to spark the marketplace for some of the creative uses of immersive systems in corporate space.
Okay. And can we expect to see any new product from you guys at InfoComm 2016?
Yes, absolutely. We're previewing our Galileo Galaxy processor here. This is the next generation of Galileo processors. This has a completely new platform under the hood. It is network-based, so its infrastructure is based on AVB. It has FPGAs and quad-core processors for extremely low latency. We're at around 0.6 of a second analog in to analog out. We have more channels on the input side. We have preserved our traditional Galileo processing quality, so that will be a foundation of every Galileo product that we produce. But Galaxy takes it to the next level, including about 25 dB more dynamic range and lower noise floor. So this is a big step forward for the Galileo family.
And when will that be available?
That will be available in September.
Okay, fantastic. And more of a general question now, are you seeing any kind of trends right now in the market, and do you think that you'll see any kind of over the next few days at InfoComm?
Well, the trend of integration continues. We're seeing more and more systems that are going out with playback for cinema, with flexible acoustics, with PA and sound reinforcement needs, drawing together video, lighting, IP, data, presentation. All of that seems to be really a trend that is very predominant at InfoComm, and we continue to see that and support that.
Sure. I mean, you mentioned it earlier on, is it an extension of, you said that the room here is more of a sort of cinema setup, but actually it can work in boardrooms, it can work in universities. Is it kind of speakers that can, or audio products that can do more in more scenarios?
Yes. We've, with our products, we're able to produce immersive systems for cinema, but also do the constellation acoustics using the same loudspeaker set, and do sound reinforcement using the same loudspeaker set. So you're not forced to buy multiple different systems. These are integrated systems. And while it may look like a traditional cinema in here, when you hide all the loudspeakers, as in many cases they are, this just becomes like any corporate auditorium, whether it be one of the large tech companies in the Silicon Valley or large financial companies that we work with. They're installing these types of systems, even though this looks like a cinema, but this is more and more looking like a lot of corporate auditoriums as well.
Thank you very much for your time, John.
Oh, you're very welcome. Thank you.